So I got these two bottles right here. Is Birthday Bourbon getting better? Or is it getting worse? Or is it staying the same? Only one way to find out. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and I figured I'd put Birthday Bourbon back to back. But I'm doing this for a special occasion. What could that occasion be? Well, it's HRH's birthday, so let's bring her on.
Hello, I'm back for my birthday.
Yeah, so she's turning the wonderful 16 years old. No, 21 years old today. 21 today. And she wanted to compare Birthday Bourbon to Birthday Bourbon. And I said, yes. For your birthday, why not?
Absolutely.
How many times can we say birthday in this? We should put a little counter up. Birthday,
yeah.
Birthday.
That'd be awesome, yeah.
All right, so we're going to pour these out. We're going to do one of each, right? So I'll let you pour that side out, and I will pour this side out. How does that sound?
What year is it?
So this one is the 2025, and that one is, I believe, the 2024.
Yes, 2024.
All right, hear your pop first. Look, turn it sideways at that. Pop it up, but both of them were weak.
We'll try that again.
All right, try it one more time. Let's hear it.
Birthday pop.
There we go. There.
You heard it.
You heard it. All right, so I'm going to pour out some pours over here for us. And we're not blinding this. We're just comparing them. So give yourself as much as you want. I'll give you a little bit more than me.
That's yours, and I'll take the bottle.
Okay, there you go. I'll keep these over here until you have those poured.
Can't rush the birthday girl.
Definitely give yourself a little bit more than me. I see that.
I wanted that one, but now I want this one.
All right, I'm going to give this one
just
here.
solely because it's, whiskey treat.
Wait,
That's
hold on.
why I picked the glass.
Let's do this because this is the one you poured. This one I poured. This is one I poured. This one. So that way we can put them on the side they should be on. So let's put this here and let's put this one here. 24, 25. So, all right, let's just start looking at them. I see yours looks a lot darker because it's a lot heavier of a pour.
Yes.
So somebody's ready to have a drink, huh?
Yes, absolutely. Just to make it even.
Yeah. And so when you turn 21, what do you want to do? Have a good pour, right?
A bourbon. Yeah.
All right, so let's just look at these. Do you see much of a difference in color?
I don't know, because this one looks darker, maybe because there's more in there.
Yeah, it looks a lot darker because there's more in there. That's so funny how that worked, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so let's talk a little bit about this Birthday Bourbon. 2024 is distilled in 2012, bottled in 2024, and it is 53.5% alcohol by volume, making it calculations 107. 107. All right. What does yours have on it?
This one was bottled or barreled in 2013, bottled 2025. And what else did you read?
Really small on the bottom over there. What does that say?
92 proof.
92 proof.
Alcohol.
Oh, really? It's much lower proof. So that's interesting.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay. Well, are you ready to get into these?
Absolutely.
Let's just start sipping on them. All right. We'll start with the last year's then. And if I remember correctly, I think we like this year's better than last year's, and that's interesting because it's a lower proof, if I remember that correctly. Now, I know what's our favorite?
2022.
And it has nothing to do with that it's 22. It actually, we just enjoyed that pour.
Yeah, and then he finished the bottle.
You have your own.
One of the lies that I wasn't there, but
You have your own bottle that you have not opened and shared with me.
Yes, that's true.
All right, cheers. Happy birthday.
Thank you. That's good.
It's good, but a little spicy.
Very nice. It's a little spicy.
First drink we're having. Ooh, it's giving me a little bit of a hug.
Yes, I feel it.
A little bit of a hug. Not too bad.
Giving Olaf vibes. He likes warm hugs.
Warm hugs.
Like warm hugs.
Yeah, I get you. What about flavors? What are you tasting? Anything on that?
It's a little spicy right now. It was hitting me in the back of the throat.
Let's go in for it. Yeah, it's always that first one. It's hard to kind of get those flavors. So go for that little second drink. I got a little bit left though.
I guess I could share.
Look how little I am.
That one's good.
Yeah, it's creamy.
Yeah, I feel like I actually taste like a little bit of chocolate in there. It got a little sweeter on that second one. I still feel like it's a little peppery.
It's a little bit peppery on the front end, for sure.
Yeah.
I see your chocolate. I see a little bit of citrus in the background too.
I can see that.
Baking spices, all that spiciness. They baked you a cake. They got to use some spices, right?
Yes.
Yeah, no, and you're spicy, so I know.
It makes sense.
It makes a lot of sense. All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
All right. Nose is actually not so much there, but it's good, but not a lot there.
Smells good.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, you get to use my new glass.
Oh, yeah, definitely not as spicy. I feel like this one's a little more earthy to it.
It's not as spicy. It's not as, doesn't give the tongue as big of a hug as the first one did. But there is flavor to it. So definitely need to go in for that second one to get more of the flavors out of this.
Yeah, I got like earthy tones.
Yeah. It's nice. It's not as sweet. It tastes more aged, which I don't think it was. How old is that one we said? This one's 12 year. How old does that one say on the top here? 12. So they're both 12 year. But this one tastes like it's a little bit older. Like it tastes like it's a little bit older to me. It's not, but I'm actually liking this one a little bit more than this one for the sweetness, but I'm liking this one a little bit more for the complexity on it. So so far, what are you thinking? We're going to go through them one more time, but what are you thinking? What are you liking?
I think the 2024 so far is my favorite.
Okay. Yes. Over the 2025.
Give me the birthday vibes I'm looking for.
Okay. So let's go back in reverse.
This is the way.
This is the way.
This is the way.
All right. Back in reverse. There we go. Well, start with
reverse. I was like, wait a second.
That's funny. There's a little bit of grapiness to it. Like there's a little bit of a grape hint in the background, which I don't get very often. I get that like with Wellers and stuff like that, but not often with like Old Forester. But all right, I'm gonna go back for this one now. Mine's almost gone. See, that made it very spicy again, though.
Yeah, that one's very nice. I really like the 2024.
Yeah, but it jumped and put spice again.
Yeah.
Like so, going to that sweetness. I mean, this one that's a little bit more bitter, a little bit like it tastes a little bit more aged, where I'm getting a little bit more of that oakiness in it.
Yeah.
This one's a little bit sweeter, but it went spicy again because we went back and forth, right?
I taste more of the citrus in this one now.
Yeah, you seen that citrus that I was talking about? Yeah. All right, so let's see. If you were to choose a winner, who are you choosing today?
My favorite birthday pour is gonna be 2024.
All right. Now, this one more time.
Me too.
Why not?
Just for more clarity.
Yeah, just to make sure you chose right. That's funny. It's close for me, but that spiciness just keeps getting me. And I like a sweeter one more than a spicy. So for me, actually, the 2025 is going to win. But I mean, they're pretty close. They're pretty close.
I can drink both easily.
All right. Well, you don't have to mix yours because yours is way unbalanced, but I'm gonna do a blend here.
Yes.
Let's see. Does this kick up that spice? Does this calm down that spice? What does it do? What do you think it's gonna do?
Well, I didn't see how much you had in each pour. That also matters.
All right. I'll let you go first.
That blended very nicely.
Did it?
Yes.
Yeah, your face looks happy.
I might do that. But I gotta make that even.
Oh yeah, that did work out. That brought down the spice,
nicely.
added the flavors, added that sweetness, added that little tannic complexity to it. Still giving me a nice little hug. Yeah, that does work.
That is pretty nice.
That
I might
does
do
work. That does work. Well, I do have a surprise for you though.
Ooh, I'm excited.
You had no idea.
A birthday surprise.
Yeah, it's a birthday surprise because we are celebrating your birthday today.
Yes.
All right, you ready for it?
Yes.
All right, like with Kalia, you got to close your eyes and put your hands out, okay? Close your eyes and put your hands out. Yeah.
I can tell by the shape. Oh my gosh.
So I got you yours, of course.
Thank you.
Every year I somehow manage to get you one. I don't know how that happens. Lip Service Crew.
Excited.
I owe Lip Service Crew. Thank you for helping me get this. So there you go. You got your least favorite pour of this year.
I can mix it. Like I have your bottle and I'll keep mine.
Yeah. I mean, they're just good for what they are. So I
Yes.
mean, one day you might be in the mood for this if you ever open up yours from last year. And then one day you might be in the mood for that if you open up this one from last year.
It just tastes better from your bottle, I think. That's what it is.
That seems to be the case. Growing up, they always drank my drinks.
Absolutely.
Like my Coke or my Coke Zeros.
And then he used to try to do rum and Coke because then we didn't like it. But now
it doesn't work.
It.
I couldn't do that. But back then it was pretty funny. The first time I did that, she's like, "Are you trying to kill me?" But I wasn't. So here you are.
I'm so excited.
I know. Now you don't have to go steal mine.
I know. I don't have to take the bottles this time.
I know. So anyways, happy birthday to you.
Thank
happy
you.
21st birthday.
Thank
21st
you.
birthday.
21st.
And you look very beautiful as always.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you too.
All right, guys.
Cheers.
Yeah. So thank you for joining us on another. Well, no, what? Let's do this before because you really wanted to balance it out. So this one's the 2025.
Yeah.
Just so you can watch your step. Yeah. All right. I think you're pretty even there.
Yeah.
Mix those puppies up if you want.
Very nice.
Hey.
We're gonna put it in this one. I was gonna switch it.
Oh, okay.
Because for old fashioned ways, cup, glass.
Glenn, whatever you want to
I
call
was
it.
like, wait a second.
Can I have a drop then too?
Sure. Here's
Can I have some more, please?
Some birthday drops.
Well, thank you for sharing your birthday
You're
bourbon. Well, it's actually technically mine, but your birthday pour
Yeah.
with me. Anyway, so
Thank you for having me.
thank you, my friends, for joining us on another journey down our whiskey rabbit hole.
To our next journey, our friends.
Cheers.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.